Maybe I'll put it on YouTube and I get famous.
I was only 12 when I had to say bye. Daddy's got in heaven, up in the sky. He was suffering, he didn't have long. They put him in a helicopter, flew him along. He didn't deserve this, it was so wrong. Dad's getting better, that's why I wrote this song.